Zimbabwe's dictator President Emmerson Mnangagwa is reported to be tightening his grip on the military and state security services with immediate key appointments made this week, according to sources within the state. Sanapenda mashoko kwanza mtungamiri wenyika panguwa inoi aiwa ari panguwa ino achichaitena his grip on power through military nema state security services. Sanapenda mashoko anobudanjirwa panguwa inoi not subscribe all icon on the bell icon. Timina mnamobudanjirwa mchinzi. According to these reliable sources, Mnangagwa appointed Brigadier General Ashawote Tafmane to the position of Chief of Staff of the Army and promoted him to the rank of the Major General. Tafmane served as the Deputy Director, General Operations of the Zimbabwe Central Intelligence Organization, CIO. He had been in the military before, but was removed during Vice President General Constantino Chiwenga's tenure as Commander of the Defense Forces and is reportedly not on good terms with Chiwenga at all. He also ran covert political initiatives for Mnangagwa using the CIO, notably the establishment of the Forever Associates Zimbabwe First Trust. FAZ was created to support Mnangagwa during the 2023 elections and was involved in activities such as voter mobilization for ZANU-PF and voter intimidation at polling stations, where it is stationed operatives with the desks and benches. Tafmane eventually took over from the newly appointed commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu. Mnangagwa also appointed Paul Chikawa as the new CIO Deputy Director in charge of the external branch. Mnangagwa recently appointed a new CIO Director General, Dr. Fulton Mangwanya, following the removal of Isaac Moyo. He has also appointed a new Deputy Director of Operations, Kefas Wozi, who replaces Tafmane. Tomashukwa arikuda panguwa ino fresh fights arikunyatsokuonekwa kunzi aiwa mobilizations ari kuitikwa ari kuona kwanzi mutungamiri wenyika is relying on military pamwe chete nestate security. Vanyatsokuratidza kuti these guys vari kuisiwapo aiwa havazi in good books naVP Constantino Chiwenga. Zvinyatsokuonekwa kunzi generally vakombewa. Penda comment section medu mutidze mafungiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Penda comment section medu musana subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.